Hello, my friends, your family doctor, Dr. AP. I went on a visit, a 70-year-old female patient. She had the complaints of cough and severe breathless. My friend, severe. When I took the proper history, I found out that she became breathless just few hours ago. And she was a patient of bronchial asthma, history of bronchial asthma. I at once examined her pulse oximeter, oxygen level. It was 84. I recommended them to the hospital that you go and get admitted in the hospital. But my friends, no money due to COVID. Everyone bankrupt. No money. And when I told them to go to government hospital, at once they said, no doctor, we will not go to government hospital. They will make us COVID positive and they will kill my patient. My God, the relatives were so much adamant that they do not want to go to the government hospital because they are afraid that they will kill the patient. It was such a strong faith in them that if we go, then the patient will never come back. They will always prove us COVID positive. Oh my God, I could do nothing. I just told them that please use this pump, inhaler. Take nebulizer. And I also recommended them to buy one oxygen concentrator, oxygen at home. But my friends, I did everything what I had to do. Next day I got a call that the patient expired, died. What do we learn here? What do we learn? First of all, the government has to understand this. The panic and the belief which we have kept in the minds of this COVID. Everyone is afraid to go into the government hospitals now. Nobody is ready to go in the government hospital. They are afraid that if we go in the government hospital, that we will never come back. Nobody will allow us to meet the relative, our own patient. Nobody will allow us to meet. And then they will declare that your patient is dead due to COVID. Please, acute asthma is so dangerous. The patient had acute asthma. Asthma is so common, mostly in the rainy season. That patient died due to asthma, bronchial asthma, acute attack of asthma. Patient died. If this fear would not be there in the minds of the patients, that yes, the COVID is not there, don't worry, government will treat. Please, I request. The good thing is now the private hospitals, doctors are treating. They are not running behind COVID. Private hospitals are not running behind COVID now. They are treating the patients. Same thing should be done by the government hospitals. Treat the patient, treat the symptoms. Don't run behind COVID. People are totally afraid to go in the hospitals. They are in a panic. They do not want to go in the hospitals only with this fear that you will prove COVID and the patient will never come back. Already you are spread this rumor, third wave. You have put in the minds of the people that third wave will come. Who taught you? That to be afraid of the future, we should not live the present. Who taught you? Who is misguiding? Who is misleading you? Third wave will come, then come. Let us forget it. At least save the patients right now at present. People are dying due to asthma. Asthma! So common in rainy season. It is rampant. And I request all the asthma patients, please use the inhaler. If your doctor has recommended inhaler, do not forget to use the inhaler. Life-saving. If you use the inhaler every day, properly, regularly, the attack may slow down. The acute attack may not be so severe. Because if oxygen is less, oximeter, if the oxygen is less in asthma, dangerous, deadly, fatal. My friends, today's case, so sad that I really wanted to present this case without doing any shaving and to present this case in front of the world. That if you don't remove this fear of COVID, patient will die due to other reasons. Asthma, bronchiectasis, bronchitis, simple bronchitis, tuberculosis. Because patients have got the fear that no, if you go in the hospital, government will prove it's a COVID and they will kill the patient. It's so sad. I'm so sad. I explained the patient, but nobody is ready to go to the government hospitals now. Private hospitals, money. People don't have money due to COVID. Bankrupt. Financial crisis. Please understand, my friends, asthma is very rampant. Rampant. It's so dangerous. Deadly. Asthma, if you don't treat at the right time, patient may die. Please understand, my friends, this case is so important. So important. It should reach to everyone in the world. Don't run behind COVID. Treat the patients. Treat the patients. Save the patient's life. I'm leaving, my friends, your family of Dr. AP. Till next time, I'll bring some other case. Till then, it's a goodbye from Dr. AP. Thank you very much. Thank you. Namaskar. Share, comment, subscribe.